Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid. This iconic sedan gets a refresh for the new year, boasting a sleeker design, an even more fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain, and a ton of impressive tech features. The first thing that grabs your attention with the 2024 Accord Hybrid is its refined exterior. Honda has sculpted a more aerodynamic design that maintains the Accord's signature style. The new grille and headlights give it a sharper, more modern look, while the available 19-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness. But don't be fooled by the looks, this car is all about efficiency. The aerodynamic design and lightweight materials work together to reduce drag and improve fuel economy. Honda hasn't released the official numbers yet, but early estimates suggest the 2024 Accord Hybrid could achieve best-in-class fuel ratings. Under the hood, the 2024 Accord Hybrid continues to utilize Honda's proven two-motor hybrid system. This system combines a powerful electric motor with a gasoline engine, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. While exact horsepower figures are yet to be revealed, you can expect a balance between sprightly responsiveness for city driving and enough power for highway cruising. Plus, the Accord Hybrid retains Honda's reputation for excellent handling and a comfortable ride. Step inside the 2024 Accord Hybrid, and you'll be greeted by a driver-centric cockpit that's both stylish and functional. The high-quality materials and clean layout create a premium feel, while the available leather seating adds a touch of luxury. Tech takes center stage with a larger touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster keeps you informed with vital driving data, and a heads-up display projects important information onto the windshield, minimizing distractions. Honda is well known for its commitment to safety, and the 2024 Accord Hybrid is no exception. It comes standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assistance features that include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These features work together to provide an extra layer of protection on the road. The 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid is a compelling option for anyone looking for a stylish, efficient, and feature-packed sedan. It offers a winning combination of impressive fuel economy, a comfortable ride, and a ton of advanced technology. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend road tripper, the 2024 Accord Hybrid is a car that can handle it all. Stay tuned for more detailed information on pricing and availability as we get closer to the official launch date. If you have any questions about the 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid, leave a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.